Welcome back. We are day 15. We have 6 more days to go. We are going to do our daily checklist. We want to check our temperature, make sure that our temperature is staying between 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to check our humidity, make sure that there's enough moisture in the air inside our incubator. We are going to check the water, make sure that the reservoirs on the bottom of our incubator are filled up. We're going to check the ventilation, make sure that fan is rotating and moving that air evenly amongst our eggs. And we are going to check to make sure that our incubator is rotating those eggs at least 6 times a day, that our X's are moving. Our words of today are going to be calcium, depletion, and experiment. This is what the inside of our egg looks like on day number 15. You can definitely see that it is closely resembling a chick, and we are only 6 more days until the baby chicks start to hatch and take that journey. Our activity for today is going to be what happened. It's going to be a cause and effect matching worksheet. You can get the worksheet from the link below. You can see that. And so now let's go ahead and candle our eggs and see what's going on today. We are going to take out eggs today that are not fertile. This means they don't have the right ingredients. These eggs are going to be eggs that have the yolk in them without any blood vessels. We are going to look at all our eggs, and I'm going to show you what it looks like from an egg that is looks like an egg from day 1. So this particular egg, you can see, has no blood vessels. Here is the yolk right here. There are no blood vessels in this one, so this one needs to be removed because it didn't have all the right ingredients. The air cell didn't develop that well. You can see it here, but it didn't develop like the rest of them. I'm going to show you what an egg looks like today on day 15 that has all the right ingredients. So here you can see the lines right here. Those are the blood vessels, and there is the baby chick that is moving around. Remember, as the chick gets bigger, it's much harder for you to see what is going on with the chick, the embryo. So you can definitely see the difference between this egg, which has a really good air cell, and you can see the blood vessels in here, versus, put this egg right here, versus this one, which looks like day 1 with just the yolk. So all the eggs that look like this, we're going to remove, which this is the only one, as I candled all the eggs. So this one is not fertile. We're going to use 2 candlers today to look at what our embryos are doing. See if this is going to help you guys see what's going on inside the egg. You can see our baby will start moving right there. So that big dark spot is the baby chick. The intestines today, what is happening are the small intestines are taken into the body. That means that now they are inside the chick's stomach. So this is the part of the digestive tract that absorbs food and nutrients, and this part is now inside the abdomen, where before they were kind of on the outside. The next thing are the scales, the claws, the beak start to harden today. That means they're getting harder. They're getting ready to make that travel out of the egg. Let me see if I can get another egg, a white egg that might be a little easier to candle. So Open the incubator. So scales, just like a fish or a lizard, that's starting to harden on your chick today. So let's see if you guys can see this. So our baby chick is down here. See if our baby chick wants to wake up. So baby chick is at the bottom. And maybe our baby will start moving. Maybe not. I guess our baby is sleeping. So this is today, and like I said, as we get closer and closer to the end, and since we are 6 days until they hatch, it's going to be much harder to see your baby chicks as they get bigger and bigger and they start to run out of room inside the egg. But that dark spot right there is your baby chick. And that chick is sleeping right now. All right, so we are done with candling our eggs today. And remember, today we also took out any of the eggs that were not fertile. Remember, they didn't have all the right ingredients, so they did not even start developing. We removed those eggs so that we have a little bit more room for our eggs that are inside the incubator that are successful, so that when our chickens are ready to hatch, they have some more room to roll around and get out of those eggs. So we only have a couple more days left and can't wait to see what tomorrow brings. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.